This is a KIA Optima 2013 and need to replace the starter. Already did some work in it, that way faster to explain how to do it. And now I'm gonna show you, which has already lost them, how to remove it easy and put it back together easy. Some of them there's a Phillips screw, hose clamp, size 10, size 12, and 14 for the starter. First, you're gonna remove the battery terminal here. That way, it don't spark. Be safe. Now, you have a 10 millimeter. Take this 2 bolt, remove this, and make sure you put it back. That way, you don't confuse. Okay, put it away. And then this one, you just pop it out like this. It'll come out. And remove the dipstick, oil dipstick. Okay, and you need to remove this first, which is it came out. And this hose, you need to take it out too. That way you're freely moving around your hand to remove all the screws. See? Yeah. Put it here. And this, you have to make sure you just loose this part and the throttle body and both sides. And unhook it there, you twist, turn like that. And you have a 4 bolt in here on the throttle body, which is already removed. Now you have to take it out like this. So you need a size 10 socket for this. Okay, and if you want, you can remove these 2 hoses, but I didn't remove it anyway, so that's just one here on the top. Okay, put it aside like that, and you see this 2 bolt here. This is a 14 socket. That's the starter underneath. Now, in order to get it close, that one, remove the fan, which is there's a hanger on the bottom and 2 bolt on the top, 10 millimeter, and then pull it out. Now, next move, you're gonna lose this one. This is 12 mm. So you need a 12 mm, one over here, 2, 3, 4, this side, right here, there. Can you see it? There. And one over here. Just lose it. Don't take it out totally. Now, there is a 2 bolt on the bottom here. So that one you're gonna remove it and lose all the, like a bracket. Lose every single thing here, but don't remove it. That way a lot faster when you put it back. As soon as you remove this 2 bolt on the bottom, you make it loose and make sure these 2 hoses here, you're gonna remove the bracket here. There's a bracket here, that way you can move the parts, the hoses. When you remove this 2 bolt here, you just come out here the starter. Now this is the old one. I already put back the new one. Like I said, when you remove this 2 bolt here, lose this 5 bolt, and remove this bracket here with the hose, then you can lift it up this like that, see? And then free come down the starter, just pull it out here, which just come like this. Then remove the wire here and the harness there, and that's it. I think you can pick up what I'm trying to explain, you know. Now this has a new starter now, which is in there. So I gotta put back them all together. Yeah, putting it back, the tighten that starter. It's putting it back together is easy, but if you watch it carefully, my video, it's easy life for you, you know. Putting it back the hose. There you go. One more here. Top. Come on. Move. Putting it back. Now you have to tightening all this. The one I just lost them. And now I'm going to put the radiator fan. There you go. There you go. There you go. Put the air intake, see? Remove this thing to float. Yeah. Put it back, the lipstick. And double check, make sure everything is tight. Just want to make sure, yeah, it is. Yes, everything is tight. Yeah, yeah, you have to inspect first before you know, start the engine. Now, I need to put back the battery and the cover. Is that high tech or what? There's the cover back. Now, come on. Yeah. Okay.